morning, coordinator for ED116, Se Sunil Singh. I'm Cynthia Gilbert, ID S111-03958. I did my micro-teaching video record at USP Solomon Island campus, and the record time is 9 a.m. on the 1st of October 2025. Thank you for this opportunity you have given me to be able to do my micro-teaching presentation. I'm all right, except
It's going to be an interesting.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning.
Team, can you pay attention?
Sorry.
Put your hands up. Team, cooperate. Listen when teacher is talking. Put your hands up. Hands down. Fold your hands. Okay. Good morning, class. I'm John. You still don't pay attention. Okay. Hands up if any of you drink cup of tea this morning before you come to school. Okay, listen. Okay, did you watch your mother boiled a cup of boiled tea or cook rice?
Sometimes.
Okay, what do you see? Anything?
The water is boiling.
Okay, so water is boiling, and then what else?
Steam.
Yes, that's right. That rising steam is water changing from liquid to gas. Or sometimes when you're on the road, you see puddles of water. What happened to the water? Where did the water go? Water gets hot, it turns to steam, and then it goes up into the air, and then it forms clouds and to make rain. So that's the process of boiling to evaporation. So our topic for today, we are going to talk about how does matter change. Listen, Andrew, team. How does matter change? And we will focus on water changing from liquid to gas. And the importance of learning this lesson is so that your student understand what happens when clothes dries, or water boils, or puddle disappears after rain. So by the end of this lesson, student will observe, explain the changing process when water is boiled. So for our activity today, I'm going to fold you into two groups. So group A, you are required to do experiment with lid open, while group B, you are required to do experiment with a lid closed. So here is our teaching resources. What is this?
Pot.
Okay, pot, good.
But we are the first one that say that those ones.
So can you please move to your groups?
Can we move? Can we move? Can we move? Come on. Can we move? This way. Interesting.
That way.
This way.
Before we start, you select who is going to be your leader and someone to run the activity.
I select John to be.
Okay, good. And then group B, team, yeah? Okay. So each responsible leader, can you come and collect your resources? Okay, so in your groups, I will give you each activity sheet. So group A activity sheet, and then group B activity sheet. Before you start, you will listen to instruction. I will tell you instruction, and then we will start with the experiment.
The gas.
Step.
It's done. Next step, you have a bottle of water, and then each group have a cup, same size of cup. What you're supposed to do, you open the lid, pour the water in the cup, and then you fill the pot. Make sure you know exactly how many cup of water fill the pot. That's the second step. So you can do it.
Itu mas bulas yang
Thank you.
so
Some of
this way boy. This way man.
don't put it on the banner yet. That's the instruction. Put it down.
Sorry.
What you're supposed to do, open this lid and pour in the cup. Then from there you run the bottle. How many cups of water fill the pot?
Three
Three cups of water. Good, that's the second step. The third step is now you will put the pot on the stove burner. Group A, no lid.
Just an open.
Yes, so that you observe what happened when the water is boiled. While group B, you will close the lid on the pot.
So
Okay, so group A, what's the instruction on the activity C?
It says lid open.
Lid open, okay? So what you're supposed to do, you put the pot on the burner with no lid, and then follow the instruction there from the activity sheet. What is the time when the water start boil, and you record the time, and then you start do your observe by read the instruction from the activity sheet. Okay? And make sure you're careful. Your safety is very important. Keep away from the heat of the fire. Yes, turn it on now. Watch closely.
Our teacher says that there should be no lid on the
Yes.
pot.
Good one, Mary.
Yes. And then we are going to watch the water when it starts to boil.
Yes. The water begins to boil. Make sure you record the time when it boils, and then after you observe the boil, what changes happen when the water boils. You will see notice something there, and then you answer the question on the activity sheet on question 2, 3, and 4. Wait, you will see change. They're not yet. It just started.
Where's the stopper of the switch?
What did you see?
hot air.
Hot air. What else? Do you
Small
notice
bubbles?
anything? Put your hands on top of the pot. Careful. And see the waters are getting boil and hotter now. The boils are bigger. Steam rise up. It changes to what?
Evaporates.
Gas.
Or gas.
Write it down. Good. You're supposed to put the pot with the lid, and then turn on the burner. Then so start observe. Make sure you write down the time on the missing line here. Make sure fill the questions, answers on the questions there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. You hear something? What did you hear? Sound. So what time Kenza, can you open the lid? Careful. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, close it down. Close it
6
down.
minutes.
6 minutes. Okay.
6 minutes. The steam.
Yes.
So what can we call? What happens when the water boils?
On the pot with the lid. Okay, thank you Group A and Group B for your participation. Let's give a clap together. And then now we'll have one representative to stand and present what you observe on your group walk today. So Group A, you can who's responsible for today?
Okay, 3 minutes. We start to see water start to form small bubbles. 5 minutes, bubble rises from the bottom of the pot to the surface. By 10 minutes, then we notice that the steam is coming out very fast or vigorously. It's called evaporation.
Clap at team, sit down straight.
Are you sleeping?
Give a clap. Thank you. Okay. And now let's head Group B, who's responsible to do your presentation.
I am in Group B. When in the pot of lids. We observe that steam is coming out few because it has closed lid. Okay. Question 4. Explain in your own words the process that is taking place in the boiling water. The process taking the boiling steam water and not fully escape, they stuck on the pot and change to liquid again. They continue. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So to sum up, today we discover one of the simple process where liquid are changed into gases through the boiling water in the pot. And the change that take place is called the what? Evaporation. This happens when water was heated and reached the boiling point and evaporate in the air. Okay, so the two sets of practical that you demonstrated today are observed in the open boiling pot and then boil water in a closed lid pot. The boiling water in the pot changes into a steam and directly what? Escape into air because it has less density, while the steam in the boiling pot couldn't escape because it has closed lid, therefore only few were escaped, while the rest form on the top of the lid because on the top of the lid and it condensed into water again. So I would like to ask you a 1 or 2 questions to check recap back if you learned something today or not. So the first question is, what do we call the process demonstrated today?
Evaporation.
Excellent. Give a clap for team. Question B, can anyone explain what happened when all water evaporated? Team, your 10 all finished. Anyone more? Can anyone explain what happened when all water evaporated? What happened when it evaporated? When water evaporated, it what?
When water evaporates, it escaping to the sky.
And then
It forms into a cloud.
Then
And then it forms smaller droplets. And it falls again like a rain.
thank you. So now I know. Excuse Mary, team, listen. So now I know everyone already know the process of boiling to evaporation. On behalf of me as a teacher, I would like to say thank you to everyone for your time and participation.
Thank you, teacher. Love this experiment.
See you on next tomorrow class.
Yes.